Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the volume of alerts, sounds and Siri on your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the digital crown to open the app menu. Open the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down to and open Sounds and Haptics. Here is the option for alert volume. Tap that and then scroll the digital crown up or down to change the volume level of your watch. You can also find that setting by using the Watch app on your iPhone. In the Watch app, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, and you can adjust the alert volume for your watch the same as before. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.